how to find your account setting on your Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your account setting on Messenger app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on it and click on your profile. Scroll down and you're gonna find account setting. Click on it and here you're gonna find your personal information, security and login, profile login. You're gonna find all your account setting. So this is it guys. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video or if it was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like.